Today we have a 99 Mercedes CL in the shop for static and noise through the speakers. We pulled the stereo out of the dash. This has a Becker stereo in it, so this is going to be a Bose amplifier problem. And we're going to get a 2-for-1 today with a removal of the CD changer along with how to remove the amplifier. We're going to pull the edge of the carpet back. And this is going to give access to an 8mm or 10mm bolt here at the back of the carpet here that deals with mounting the CD changer, because we have the CD changer in the way here when it comes to getting to the Bose amplifier. And there are 2 screws here. And what size screw is that? 2 10mm bolts here. We're going to remove one here on the left. The rear one, and one at the front here, another 10mm bolt. Our full library of car stereo removal instructions for Mercedes is on our website, carstereohelp.com. Also up the front of the panel here with the carpet pulled back, we have one tab here that we're going to pry up out. It's the center comes out of it first, and then the entire base comes up. This is like an anchor. So when it comes time to put this back into the hole, you put the center piece in first, or the flat piece in first, and then the other piece into it locks it into place. Also along the back edge of the panel below the taillight assembly, there is a second clip here, and you pry the center up out of this, and the center comes out, which will allow you to remove the entire clip. Now we're going to pull the CD changer up out of the opening here. This is going to allow us to get access to the back of the changer, and there is one connector here to remove the changer. This connector has a trigger on the side here, so when you push this trigger in, it releases the lock and allows you to wiggle the connector loose to remove the changer. In case you're having CD changer problems, you can send that into the shop here for repair. We're going to move to the back and unlock the rear brake light assembly and turn that over. And we have a connector on this as well, and it is a slide connector. And we're going to push that piece down and it will release, and we're going to remove this to the side. Now this is going to allow us to wiggle the side panel from behind the panel, work our way around and back, and watch our wires, and we're going to pull this all up out of the opening and get it out of the way here. Now this is going to give access to our Bose amplifier that sits here on the wheel well, and we have several screws holding this in place as well, or nuts holding this in place or locking it in place. We're going to move to our 8mm and remove one bolt here at the back of the amplifier. Again, our full library of removal guides and videos can be found at carstereohelp.com, along with our repair rates and equipment we repair here in the shop. Up here at the front of the amplifier, there's a second screw. And then we have one remaining screw. Excuse me, just 2 screws hold the amp in place, and there are tabs here on the front of the amplifier that go into slots here on the bracket that hold this amplifier in place. And then we're going to push the trigger in on the back of this connector, and the connector hinges out. Again, the release on this connector is right here. You push this down, and there's a key here at the front, and this connector will hinge out of the amplifier. We have some minor water damage on this amplifier, and we're going to get it in the shop and take a look at it. Hope this video has been helpful. This is how to remove the CD changer and the Bose amplifier from a 1999 Mercedes CL. Hope this video has been helpful. See our full library at carstereohelp.com, and thank you for watching.